Are you trading with HyroTrader or planning to? Then you need to know the rules that can make or break your funded account. Violating even one rule can mean losing your trading privileges instantly. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to break down all the key trading rules, risk management policies, and how to avoid costly mistakes. So let's get started. So welcome to our channel. If you're serious about crypto trading and prop firms, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you never miss any of our latest updates. Today we're going to be doing a deep dive into HyroTrader's trading rules, what's allowed, what's prohibited, and how you can avoid violations. If you're in the HyroTrader challenge or funded phase, this video is a must watch, so let's jump in. So what happens if you break the rules? If you violate any of the trading rules, here's what happens. During the evaluation process, your account will be immediately invalidated and you will not be able to continue. You'll have to purchase a new challenge to start again. If you're on a funded account, your HyroTrader agreement will be terminated and you'll lose access to the account, no refunds, no exceptions. Can you retry? Of course, but you must start from the beginning with a new challenge. There's no discount for repeat attempts. So what's the lesson here? You respect the rules and you trade responsibly and you get to stay in the game. Here's some of the key trading rules and risk management. So, maximum risk per trade is that you cannot risk more than 3% of your initial account balance per trade. This includes commissions, which are factored into your final P&L. Using more than 3% of capital is allowed as long as the stop loss is within that 3% limit. You have a stop loss obligation. Every trade must have a stop loss within 5 minutes of execution. If you do forget, you get 1 hour to fix it. This is a soft warning. However, a second offense will mean an account failure. Martingale strategy is banned. So doubling down on losing trades is not allowed. This prevents excessive risk and protects your capital as well. You can't hedge across multiple accounts. So do not hedge trades across different accounts. Hedging within a single Bybit account is allowed, but Clio does not support it. Profit distribution. During the evaluation, no single trade should contribute more than 40% of total profits. This ensures traders aren't overly reliant on one big trade and excess risk. The daily drawdown rule. If your account drops by 5% in a single day, you fail the challenge. The daily drawdown includes floating losses, profits, and fees. Prohibited trading strategies. High frequency arbitrage, copy trading, and exploitative strategies are not allowed. News trading is allowed, but you cannot exclusively trade on news events. Minimum trading days and inactivity rule. So you must trade for at least 10 days to pass the challenge, and each trade must be at least 5% of the initial balance and meet the 1% minus 1% P&L rule. If you don't trade for 30 days or more, your account will be disabled. So how is daily drawdown calculated? Daily drawdown equals the peak account equity minus the lowest equity of the day. So for example, you start with $50,000, you reach a peak of $51,000. Then if your balance drops below $48,500, that will then incur a fail. The trailing daily drawdown, the drawdown limit adjusts as your balance grows for the trailing daily drawdown. There's some additional rules for funded accounts as well. Once you complete the challenge and the verification stages, you enter the funded phase. This comes with additional risk management rules. Maximum exposure rule. Traders may risk up to 25% of their initial challenge balance. So for example, if you start with a 10,000 account, your maximum margin exposure is $2.5K, $2,500. Exceeding the limit may result in penalties or account termination. Cumulative open position value rule. So the combined value of all open positions must not exceed twice the account's initial balance. So for example, if you have the initial account balance of 10K, then the total value of all open trades cannot exceed 20K. Violating the rule could lead to penalties or termination of the account. So why are these rules important? These prevent excessive risk-taking and gambling behavior, and it basically wants to promote responsible trading and leverage management. It does allow for greater trading flexibility while ensuring account protection to make sure that you complete your journey and maximize your profits. When do these rules apply? So these only apply after completing the challenge and verification stage when you're actively trading on a funded account. What happens if you violate these rules? Well, penalties may include warnings or profit reductions, temporary profit split reductions, withdrawal rejections, or at worst case scenario, full account termination. So here are some of the prohibited actions that can get you banned. These apply for Bybit challenges. So if you adjust demo funds, delete or alter API keys, if you trade Euro USD pair on options, and combining spot and margin trading. Some of the general violations are trading without a stop loss, violating daily drawdown or max loss rules, and risking more than 3% on a single position, and also having over $200,000 in max capital per challenge. Following the HyroTrader rules is the key to staying funded, growing your account, and maximizing your profits. Violations can cost you your account, but with the right discipline, you can scale up to $1 million in funding, and I'm sure that's the goal for everyone. So, do you want to take the challenge? Check out the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, drop a comment in there. I'm sure our community will answer. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Happy trading, guys.